So I fed the deer first thing this morning. I got the 100 pounds apples, and so I put them out when I got home. And they ate them all, and then I put some more out. They ate all them. So I just was out there now and replenishing, and they were standing there looking at me. So when I got closer to where the apples are, they kind of disappeared in the woods a little bit. And here they are, but they're back now. Mom and the two young ones. So they're gonna have some apples. There's the other fella coming. They're getting used to me now, but they keep their distance from me. There we go, people. There, you're gonna eat some more. I ran out last night and I had to go to the apple place first thing today, and I bought 100 pounds. So, but they knew I had the big bucket, and they just zipped in the woods just a little bit and stood back and watched me. Those apples are MacIntosh Reds. They're good apples. So, anyway, they're having a good feed. She's always on the alert. I'm not going to put any more out. That's enough for them. That's 3 times I got fed today. I got the raccoons. I only had 2 last night that were wild, so I didn't bother filming them. They didn't stick around, so not like my crew. They hang out there all night. I haven't seen the buck and the other doe. I don't know where they're at. Sometimes there's 5 of them there. We had snow this morning up here. They're pretty animals. I just love them. But once the snow goes, I don't feed them anymore, and they just go and do their business in the woods. So, and next winter I don't start until there's a lot of snow down, and I get the cracked corn out then, and just to give them a hand through the winter, especially when you get the same family.